The St. Catherine North Police have launched a manhunt to locate two men who are accused of shooting a businessman while he tried to make a delivery of concrete blocks earlier today. It is reported that when the buyer excused himself to pick up the money to pay for the building material, two armed men emerged from the nearby bushes and demanded the truck and items from the businessman. A businessman was shot and killed at his hardware in St. Catherine on Wednesday afternoon. He has been identified as 52-year-old Simeon Ellis from Old Harbour Glades in the parish. Ellis operates Crescent Hardware. It was reported that around 3:45 p.m. Ellis was standing outside his hardware when a motorcycle drove up with two men aboard. Police said one man alighted, approached the businessman and opened gunfire. Both men then escaped on said motorcycle in the direction of Spanish Town. Ellis was taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Police said robbery did not seem to be the motive as there was no indication that the now deceased was robbed. A dispute over $50 by two men in Rock River, Clarendon on Sunday has left one man hospitalized and the other being sought by the police. Injured is a 49-year-old farmer from the district, while on the run is a man known only as Handful. It was reported that around 9 a.m. the two men had a dispute over $50. During the dispute, the police said a machete was used to chop the farmer in his neck and right middle finger, causing serious wounds. The injured man was transported to the Maypen hospital by a relative and later transferred to another hospital where he was admitted in serious condition. Police have since launched a manhunt for Handful, who they believe can assist in their investigation. A corporate area man squandered his chance at becoming a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force after he attended a recruiting fair with fake Caribbean Examination Council results. Ridge Buckley pleaded guilty to uttering forged documents and conspiracy to defraud yesterday in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. It was shared with the court that on March 7, Buckley attended the Area 5 recruiting drive and submitted two laminated certificates, purportedly obtained from the CXE office in 2019 to support his application. The fraudulent documents were detected by personnel from the Overseas Examination Council. Under caution, Buckley said, "Officer is a man, me get it from, me pay $8,000 for one of them." Parish Judge Leighton Morris requested a social inquiry report to assist with sentencing. The matter was adjourned until June 18.